All right, so the first lab procedures that we're going to do are with our filtered and unfiltered water samples that we have from both the lake, so from the pond area at Potomac Science Center, and then the freshwater tidal. But we're just looking at our samples today that we took from the freshwater tidal river. And that was the first time that we were out in the field a few weeks ago. So we have both unfiltered and filtered water. We have 2 samples of each. And we're going to do 4 tests in total. And these are the procedures for those. We have our nitrate, so this is with the filtered water. We have our nitrogen, ammonia, so that's another form of nitrogen, inorganic nitrogen, besides nitrate in the water. This will also be with the filtered water. And then we have 2 tests here. We have total phosphorus, so we actually use the unfiltered water for that because we're assuming that the organic phosphorus that we have would have been filtered out of the filtered water. And then the inorganic form of phosphorus, it's called SRP, reactive orthophosphate. So we're using 2 instruments to conduct these tests, which we have set up, and we'll be doing that in a minute. And I believe that both of these work well. The one for the total phosphorus actually takes your unfiltered sample and it'll digest it, so it's cooking it to get that organic phosphorus to decompose so that it can then measure how much of that there is, which is kind of cool. But I believe all the other tests are spectrometry, basically. So it's taking how much light is passing through the cuvettes that we'll be using and using that signal as the method to calculate how much of those compounds there are in the water.